The A tag of HTML allows you to create hyperlink, which is used to link to another web page or another website. The A tag is also called as anchor tag. This A tag is one of the most frequently used tag in HTML development because always a web page contains links or references to other web pages. Because in this Google homepage, we have several links. For example, if I click on advertising, it leads to advertising page. If I click on business, it leads to business page. So every web page contains various links to different pages using which you can navigate from one page to another page easily. The actual tag is A for anchor, and it has a mandatory attribute called href, which stands for hyperlink reference. In this attribute, you need to specify the URL, that means the target address to which you want to go to when the user clicks on the particular link text. For example, the link text is click here and URL is www.google.com. So if the user clicks on this link text that is click here, the user navigates to www.google.com. So the anchor tag or A tag always creates a hyperlink to link to other web page or other URL. The URL can be a HTML file within the same website, or can be any file such as image file or PDF file, or even it can be other website address. By default, all unvisited links are displayed in blue and underlined. This is the default style of unvisited links. And once if the user clicks on the particular hyperlink, that particular link becomes the visitor link, and all unvisited links are displayed in purple with underline. And if the user clicks and hold it down with mouse pointer, it becomes an active link, and for that, red color underline is the default style. By using CSS, we can change or customize these colors and styles. In the next lecture, we will learn to style up the hyperlinks by using CSS. But as of this lecture, let us concentrate on how to create hyperlinks in HTML. Here, hyperlink is the link which leads to another web page or another website when the user clicks it. We create the hyperlink by using the A tag. In the codes project, I would like to create hyperlinks in the home.html. I wish 3 hyperlinks, that is home, states and destinations, which leads to respective HTML files. This time I am running the application by using Open with Live Server as I have explained earlier. And let us remove this hello hi which is written in the previous lecture. And I am just opening home.html file in the same folder. So scroll down to the body tag. There, just below the heading, I am just adding a div tag with any ID, for example nav. Here we have hyperlink tag, that is A, and write the link text in between the opening and closing tag, which you want to show to the user in the real web page. For example, I wish the text called home, and if the user clicks on this home to where I want to jump, that means I want to jump or navigate to home.html file. So I am just writing A space href, that means hyperlink reference, is equal to the target HTML file to which I wish to navigate when the user clicks it. Here I am writing home.html. So it means that, hey browser, display this particular link text, that is home, and lead to home.html when the user clicks it. Similarly, for remaining pages, that is states and destinations, let me create the hyperlinks. So the second link text is the destinations. Of course, it can be anything. Whatever you write here, this will be shown as it is to the user. Here I am just writing destinations, and if the user clicks it, I wish to navigate to destinations.html. And similarly, we have states. And if the user clicks it, we are navigating to states.html. That's it. We are done with the development of hyperlinks. Now let us execute this application. Right-click, Open with Live Server. If you cannot find this option, you need to install the Live Server extension in VS Code as I have shown in the previous lecture. So as you can see, it has 3 hyperlinks, and if the user clicks on states, it leads to states.html. Automatically, the default port number, that is 5500, has been taken without mentioning it in the tag. And if I click on destinations, it leads to destinations.html. And if I click on home, it is being in the same page, that is home.html itself. Like this, in a real website, you need to create hyperlinks to navigate from one page to another, which allows the user to view desired page based on the links. So the goal of the hyperlink is that first user opens the home page, that means the first page of your website, which is also called as landing page. User clicks on any one of the hyperlinks. There are so many hyperlinks as a menu. All important sections of your web page has hyperlinks. And if the user clicks on any one of the hyperlinks, the user should navigate to the specific page. This is how to create the hyperlinks in the web page by using the EA tag. In the next lecture, we will learn how to change the appearance of the styles by using CSS.